Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today I want to dance with somebody by American soul singer Whitney Houston. This was the first single released from her second studio album entitled Whitney, which was released in 1987. The song was written by George Merrill and Shannon Rubicam and was produced by the prolific, hugely talented drummer, producer and multi-instrumentalist Michael Narada Walden. The song is classed as dance or R&B, but it's just 80s pop really. The keyboards are a mix of digital pianos and synths. Randy Jackson played bass synth on this track. You can get away with just playing a bright piano if you like, but I have added a DX7 style electric piano to the usual acoustic piano and strings to try and create that typical 80s sound. The song is in the key of F sharp major, and towards the end it modulates upper tone to G sharp major. As usual, a song arrangement and basic chord sheet will be in the description box below. If you find the video useful, please hit the like button and share on social media, and if you don't want to miss out on videos, then please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell. Okay, well here's how I might play it.